Embarrassed by your old Gmail name? Help may finally be on the way. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. Google is quietly working on a game-changing update that could let users change their Gmail address without losing a single email, file, or account setting. For years, this has been one of Gmail's biggest frustrations, and now it looks like that wall may finally be cracking. The clue comes from an updated Google support page spotted in Hindi language help documents. While Google hasn't made a loud announcement, the wording suggests a major shift behind the scenes. Until now, changing a Gmail address has been nearly impossible. Want a new name? You had to create a brand new account and painfully move everything over or delete your account entirely. Not exactly user-friendly. That could soon change. Under the new plan, users would be able to pick a new Gmail address while keeping their original account intact. Even better, the old address wouldn't disappear. It would stay active as an alias, meaning emails sent to either address would land in the same inbox. Users could even sign in using either name with all files, subscriptions, and settings untouched. Of course, there's a catch. Google doesn't want people swapping names every week. The leaked details suggest users would only be allowed to change their Gmail address once every 12 months with a maximum of 3 changes in a lifetime. Still, for anyone stuck with an awkward username from their teenage years, that's a huge win. It has excited users across the internet. For now, Google is staying quiet. There's no official rollout date and no confirmation on when or if the feature will launch worldwide. But one thing is clear, your cringeworthy Gmail handle may not haunt you forever. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.